Hi, my name is Michael. About a month ago, my car decided to start acting up. My check engine light was on, and I took it to a repair shop close to my work to see what was wrong. And after they told me, I contacted Omega Auto Care to see if this would be something that was covered. And sure enough, it was. So I took my car to a different dealership to be fixed, and all I did was drop my car off and tell them that I had a policy on my car, and Omega did the rest. I was reimbursed for a rental and received a check in the mail just a couple of weeks later. I had the best representative help me out, Caitlin. She walked me through any questions that I had, and there was just no way it could be this easy. And anyway, she assured me that yes, it really is. She called me after the repair to check on me and to make sure that everything was good, which it was. Anyway, I am so glad that I have this on my car. I would have had to come up with $725 right before Christmas, but I only had to find $100. I was skeptical at first, but now that I actually had to use it, I will never own another vehicle without the extended protection again. Thank you, Omega Auto Care and Caitlin.